Assalamualaikum dear doctors. In this video I am sharing NICE guideline management of perceptal periorbital cellulitis and orbital cellulitis. First, management of perceptal periorbital cellulitis. A. If limited to upper eyelid, oral coamoxiclav we will use. Then review eye movements and red-green color vision twice daily. If both eyelids severe or no improvement after 48 hours, give IV coamoxiclav. If improving, convert to oral high-dose coamoxiclav. If penicillin allergy, give clindamycin. Then total duration of treatment is including IV 14 days. That means periorbital cellulitis treatment will be oral coamoxiclav, and if not improve after 48 hours, then give IV coamoxiclav. If improve, then we will convert oral coamoxiclav. If allergic to coamoxiclav, then give clindamycin, and total treatment duration is 14 days. Now, orbital cellulitis management. First, urgent ophthalmology or ENT review within 4 hours for assessment for surgical drainage. Then we will start treatment IV ceftriaxone 100 mg per kg, maximum 2 gram, or cefotaxime 50 mg per kg, maximum 3 gram if ceftriaxone contraindicated. If toxemic, add clindamycin 6.25 to 10 mg per kg 6 hourly. If history of anaphylaxis to penicillin, give ciprofloxacin and clindamycin. If improving, convert to oral high-dose coamoxiclav. If penicillin allergy, give clindamycin. Total duration of treatment of orbital cellulitis including IV is 21 days up to 6 weeks if bone involvement. So, in orbital cellulitis management, first we will urgent ophthalmology or ENT review within 4 hours. Then surgical drainage. We will choose the antibiotic, that is IV ceftriaxone. If ceftriaxone contraindicated, then we will go for cefotaxime. If condition toxemic, then we will add clindamycin. If history of anaphylaxis penicillin, then in orbital cellulitis we use ciprofloxacin and clindamycin. After that, condition improved, then we give oral coamoxiclav. If allergic to oral coamoxiclav, then we will give clindamycin. And total duration of dose including IV is 21 days. This is all about the treatment of perceptal periorbital cellulitis and orbital cellulitis according to NICE guideline. Please do share and subscribe my channel everyone. Thank you.